Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to put in install toners in a Ricoh MP C2003. This is a color machine, so if your toner is finished, this is how you do it. You just open here, then you take out this, you put in the new one, take out this, you put in the new one, take out this. Also, all these are empty. Put in the new one. Take out this. Put in the new one. Then you'll be done. Okay, I think something failed here. Okay, that's it. That's the way you do. So most of the Ricohs, they have that front. You just go to the front. Even this one, you do the same. Even most of the Ricohs we have. Let me see this. Yeah, also this one. Do the same, but you can see the toner here is a big toner. Okay, close it. Most of the Ricohs are like that. So some machines just change, but even this, all of them. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks.